Let's learn what logical reasoning is all about. Logic, reasoning. Is it what I feel it is? Let's figure that out. Now, in our everyday life activities, we use language to communicate in different ways. We use language to ask questions, to give a speech, to give facts, and so on. And one way in which we use language is to develop a line of argument or reasoning that can convince people. And that is what we call the logical reasoning. Let's write that down. One way in which people use language is to develop a line of argument or reasoning that convince people. And this is called logical reasoning. Let me give you an instance. There is a school setting, and in that school setting, you are told all that school is a male school. That is, all students in that school are male. Now, they said Tola attends that school. What does that tell us? Tola is a male. So that's logical reasoning. This is what we are trying to do in this topic. That is, we are trying to develop a line of arguments or reasoning that convince people. And now we want to figure out, okay, if that line of reasoning is true, if that line of reasoning is false. Now, in logical reasoning, what do we know as sentence in logical reasoning? A sentence is just an expression with a verb. That is an action word. And what do we regard to as statements? While a statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false. From this, you can figure out that for a sentence, this is just an expression with a verb, while a statement has to be a declarative sentence that can either be true or false. Thank you.